And can I take your photo? It's cool? Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Can I take your photo?
Oh
No?
no! No!
Okay.
Any other day, you're taking the photos for...
I'm doing a street photography project.
Yeah.
No?
No!
Okay, it's okay.
Come back. Well, are you around often or what?
No, I'm leaving tomorrow.
Oh, well, you go have a good time. Come back and check on me later.
I will. So, later today, I'm gonna meet up with a guy who wrote me on Instagram. I'm not sure I will have enough battery to show it, but I will try.
How's it going?
All good, all good. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah?
It's like a compromise between your style and mine.
It's good feeling when you get something like early that can make you fucking relax and be like, no matter what, I have this shot.
Do you like carry anything with you like to protect yourself or not?
I don't have like a gun in my bag. It's like, have this club on your back. Can I take this photo, dude? Yeah, maybe it can work.
Work like you use it as a frame from that side?
I think I would like someone to walk in here with this in the foreground. Okay, let's wait here a little bit.
Okay. Oh man, it's perfect right now how it slipped up.
Yeah. Alright, should we try walk a little bit?
You got some nice ones here?
I'm not sure, it could be. Sorry, can I take your photo?
Sure.
Thanks, dude. What's your name?
Mark.
Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Frederik.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to take a street photo every day in order to learn how to do street photography.
Okay.
So thanks for the help.
Sure.
You want to walk in here at least?
Yeah. What?
Go ahead. Sure.
I think we have some good ones today, actually.
Yeah.
X100?
Yeah, exactly.
Is it the F?
Yeah.
How good is the autofocus when you're just running and gunning? Oh, thank you.
What up, bro?
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
How
I saw
are
you
you?
playing with the camera. I said, okay, what you doing?
Just ran into this stranger on the street.
Marley, nice to meet you.
I've been thinking about buying this camera for a long time, and like I just wanted to see what the autofocus was like.
Thanks, man.
That's the balls of steel, man.
And that's when my GoPro ran out of battery. But I took a couple of shots more after this that you can see here. And I would like to say thanks to Angel for reaching out. It was a lot of fun shooting with him. And I hope you enjoyed these kind of videos.